Alright guys, this here is the 2020 Q5 hybrid. So Audi brought back the hybrid technology and put it in a Q5. I think it's great. Honestly, a Premium Plus runs you about 58K Premium Plus. This one here is fitted with the 19s. I like that they did the S-Line exterior on it. So if you'll notice, you got the SQ5 rear bumper. A little bit wider fenders. Interior, there's almost no change. Still that sleek. So this one doesn't have the Bang & Olufsen on it. This one is a Premium Plus. And they added the EV button just like on the A3 e-tron. This was the black leather. It's got that nice dark gray inlay. Even the newer wheel packages look really nice. So that's just the 19. They added a little gray contrast to it. The 20 is the same wheel that's in the 19s, but it does have a little bit of that contrasted gray and gunmetal. Yeah, if you notice, right side, just like every German car, you got the gas tank. And if you come over to the left side, driver's side, there it is, guys, the plug. The real plug. So I think it's gonna go 20 miles on pure electric is what they're saying. But just really excited to see a plug going into the Q5, as it's our really popular seller. And being able to have that hybrid experience in it, I think will definitely be a huge hit. Let's see what the car is saying to us inside. So Q5 e-tron, 12 miles. This literally just came in. It's saying it's plugged. It's got 3 miles, and it's gonna take 2 hours and 25 minutes for a complete charge. But I really like the sound. Charging connector still attached. Does need some gas as well. But if you notice on the right side, you're gonna have the gauge for the gas. And on the left side, you're gonna have the gauge for battery. So again, really awesome. The views look to be about the same. What I did notice when we were driving is in the car menu here on the MMI, the wheels did move on the car. So I thought that was pretty neat. The wheels moving. And you'll know when you're regenerative braking. All right guys, I'm just kind of going through a quick little breakdown of the back trunk area. If you notice, the carpeting kind of changed. Looks like there's no access to the compartment underneath it. Little pop out here. Everything you would kind of need. Looks like they're putting the battery back here. It's a little terminal, access to the battery if needed. And again, the seats still slide forward, kind of giving you that extra space there. And then just like the A3, you got the full-on charger. So same unit as they're using on the e-trons. Option to hook it up to the wall, and it comes with the other outlet. And then the J1772 connector. So that's everything that's in the trunk. Kind of removed the engine cover there, put it on the ground. Wanted to show you guys everything under the hood. So it looks like everything's kind of running the same. Some new orange wires. But for the most part, once I put that engine cover back on there. But I drove it, honestly guys, it has great response time. It's fast. I like what they did with the new grille, where everything's kind of black out, but you do have that nice chrome stripping. There it is again. I put the engine cover back on there. Typical Audi fashion, really clean looking. The double tie downs. Nice solid close. But yeah guys, I really like that chrome on the grills and it kind of goes to the chrome windows. But hope you enjoyed that quick little walk around, guys, and you like the 2020 Q5e. Like, comment, and subscribe.